it's Saturday and it's another day.
Another series of gratefulness.
So, pag Saturday, off kami parehas ni Kobe. And mostly, our Saturdays and Sundays are business day. But today, it's 9 a.m. We're on our way to Langley. And we're gonna meet our brothers and sisters. Because we have a house church in Langley. So, we're so grateful na nagising kami today. Kahit hindi tumunog yung alarm. Dahil nag-update ang phone ni Kobe. So grateful, nagising pa rin kami on time. Wow. Amazing. We're also so grateful na meron kaming sasakyan na makes it easy for us to travel kahit saan. Kasi imagine, magkakaibang cities yung pupuntahan namin today. Kasi mag-i-install kami ng products namin sa dalawa ba today? Dalawa or tatlong houses? Dalawang houses. Wow. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings.
Na notice sa organic gel, hindi maano yung acid niya.
Acid.
Na wala talaga.
Wala po. At saka pag gusto niyo po ng less acid, dapat mga dark roast.
Oh, dark. Yes, dark na siya. Dark na siya.
Happy birthday.
The Lord,
Birthday ni Tristan. Kumain kami.
After ng brunch na yun, dumiretso na kami sa North Vancouver.
Wow.
Grabe talaga yung asawa ko. Rain or shine. Thank you, Lord, for a very productive day.